Today we're going to learn to roll our feet using a small lacrosse ball. I'm thinking of my foot as a triangle from the ball of my big toe, my pinky toe, and my heel. We will first assess to see what spots stick out the most, and we have three different ways to combat these different nagging areas. Method number one is going to be increased pressure. So I'm going to gently use the rest of my body to inhale as I take the pressure off and exhale as I increase the pressure onto that foot. I'm not digging with my leg. I'm leaning over my leg in order to increase the pressure. And I can reassess and see if that improved. Method number two is going to be flexing and pointing around the ball itself. So I'm going to flex and point my foot as much as possible around the ball and see if that makes any changes. And method number three is going to be to do little mini circles. So instead of that broader assessment movement, I can do little tiny circles to see if we can work out those little kinks. Rinse and repeat in any other spots.